Remember when people on here were telling everyone to quit their jobs? Unpopular opinion, but here's some corporate advice if you're working at a job you don't love, and you should do this immediately before it gets worse. And no, I'm not telling you to quit your job because that's the worst advice, and as silly as it sounds, go start a hobby. Go do something you enjoy. Go have fun. Pull your energy out of that job. I'm not telling you to leave, I'm telling you to focus on yourself. Almost always when we start to get bored of our jobs or run into inconvenience at work, it builds up and then we try to find a way to leave or make reasons to leave. Trust me, I've worked for some awful people, hated jobs, had the worst coworkers and boss. It took such a toll on me, but at the same time, I wasn't in the right mindset to be making any smart decisions at the time. I thought about leaving to try to fix everything. But that's actually the worst thing you could do if you're doing it out of impulse. Invest in yourself, into positive things, doing things outside of our jobs. And after a couple of days, you'll notice a big difference in your mindset. Of course, do it for yourself to do your job well. Go to work, keep up the good work. Because I'll tell you this, sometimes leaving a bad place doesn't always mean you'll end up going to a better place. You won't know if your new workplace will be better. When you start to pour more energy into other areas of your life, you start to gain more clarity, you start to think more positively, your perspective might even change, and maybe you stop revolving around the job that is draining you.